English into Khasi Translation video. In English, mother. In Khasi, imei. Example in English. Our mother really loves us. In Khasi, imei jongi iet bha yengi. In English, father. In Khasi, ipa. Example in English. There is no one like our father. In Khasi, omdon mano mano kum ipa jongi. In English, elder brother. In Khasi, u henman. Nuksa in English, our elder brother is a police. In Khasi, u henman jongi udai u pulit. In English, elder sister. In Khasi, ka henman. Nuksa in English, my elder sister is a doctor. In Khasi, ka henman jonga kadai ka doctor. In English, younger brother. In Khasi, upara. Example in English, my younger brother is 15 years old. In Khasi, upara jonga udon khat san snap. In English, younger sister. In Khasi, kapara. Example in English, my younger sister is studying in class 10. In Khasi, kapara jonga kadang pule haka kelas kabashipo. In English, our family. In Khasi, kaying kasam jongi. Nuksa, in English, our family is a very happy family. In Khasi, kaying kasam jongi kalong kabakaman bha.